In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if the Copilot app is enabled on your Windows device and in Excel. First, we need to verify whether the Copilot app is already running on your system. To do this, press the Windows key and the C key on your keyboard simultaneously. If the Copilot app pops up on your screen, you can be sure it's enabled and ready to assist you. This app can be a great productivity tool, and confirming it's active is our first step in making the most of its capabilities. Next, let's transition to checking if it's available in Excel, a program where Copilot could particularly enhance your experience. Start by opening the Excel application. You can do this by locating Excel in your Start menu or using your desktop shortcut if you have one set up. Once Excel is open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. This is your entry point to a world of options that help you customize and manage your Excel application. After clicking File, look for and select the More option from the list that appears. This is often grouped with other options related to account management and software settings. The next step is crucial. You need to select Options from the subsequent menu. This will open the Excel Options window, where a wide range of settings for personalizing your Excel experience is available. Now, in the Excel Options window, you should look to the left side of the screen. This area contains various features and settings that can be adjusted to tailor Excel to your preferences. If, at this point, you do not see an option for Copilot listed there, it means Copilot is not enabled within Excel. If you find that Copilot is not enabled in Excel, don't worry. You might need to update your version of Excel or check with your organization's IT department if you're working on a company device. They can offer further assistance on enabling this feature. Reviewing these steps ensures that you can access Copilot's helpful features in both Windows and Excel, boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of checking Copilot's availability. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your software and devices.